A family trip turned into a nightmare. A techie from Kolkata visiting Kashmir with his wife and child was among 26 people shot dead in one of the most brutal terror attacks the valley has seen in years. TCS employee Bitin Adhikari, 40 years old, was shot dead by terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam on Tuesday afternoon. He was among at least 26 people killed in what is being described as the valley's most heinous attack in recent times. Two of the victims were foreign nationals. The attack targeted tourists in the popular Pahalgam area in South Kashmir. Bitan had come home to Kolkata from Florida on April 8th with his wife Sohini and their 3-year-old son. They had traveled to Kashmir last week and were supposed to return on Thursday. While Bitan was killed, his wife and child survived. Authorities are working to bring them home safely. Back in Kolkata, Bitan's elderly father is shattered. He told media he wanted to take all of us along, but I told him to go with my daughter in law. I spoke to him today as well, even in the afternoon. What happened after that? His brother added, I spoke to my younger brother this morning. He told me that once he returned from Kashmir, we would plan an extended holiday nearby. We had no idea it would be the last time we would speak. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee spoke to Bitan's wife over the phone. In a post on X, she said, My heart goes out to the families of the victims of the devastating terrorist attack on the tourists in Jammu and Kashmir today. One of the victims, Shri Bitan Adhikari, is from West Bengal. I have talked with his wife over phone, though no words are enough to console her in this hour of grief. I have assured her that my government is taking all steps to bring back his mortal remains to his house at Kolkata. Bengal Minister Arup Biswas visited the family. He said the State Home Department and Resident Commissioner in Delhi are in touch with the Ministry of Home Affairs and the J&K government to bring the body back as soon as possible. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was on a visit to Saudi Arabia, cut short his trip and returned to India. Home Minister Amit Shah reached Srinagar the same night and met Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah and Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha. Security forces have launched a search operation in the region. The Jammu region has been put on high alert. Protests broke out across several towns on Tuesday. In Doda, people took to the streets and burnt effigies. The Sanatan Dharm Sabha's Kishtwar unit has called for a bandh on Wednesday. In Gujjar Nagar, Jammu city, members of the Muslim community marched in protest, raising slogans against Pakistan. A day after the Pahalgam attack, the army reported that it had foiled an infiltration bid near the line of control. 3 militants tried to enter through the Uri sector in Baramulla. 2 were killed in a gunfight with Indian troops on Wednesday. As the nation reels from the shock of this horrific attack, one Kolkata family mourns the loss of a son, husband, and father.